An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Class 4, Subject Mathematics, Topic Polygons.
Hello children, I hope you are doing well. Today through this video you are going to learn another topic. Let's start.
Before understanding the polygons, we will learn about different types of shapes. Observe the given shapes made by matchsticks. Look at the shape 1. Start at any point on the boundary of this shape. Trace it with your finger. What do you notice? At the end, you reach at the same point that you started from. So, this is closed shape. Shapes that start and end at the same point and have no open ends are called closed shapes. All the given shapes are closed shapes. Now, let us look at the shape 2. Once again, start from the point A and trace the shape with your finger. Where does the shape end? The shape ends at point B, a different point altogether. Therefore, it is open shape. The shapes which do not begin and end at the same point are called open shapes. All given shapes are open. In this given set of figures, shape 1 and shape 5 are open shapes. Shape 2, 3, 4 and 6 are the closed shapes. Now we can define simple closed figures. Simple closed figure is closed figure that doesn't cross itself. These given figures are simple closed figures, but this figure is not simple closed figure as it is crossing itself. Now let us see what are polygons. For a shape to be a polygon, it should have two features. First, the shape should be simple closed. Second, the shape should have line segments. Let us see some of the figures and find out whether they are polygon or not. See the given figure. Is this a polygon? Given figure is not a polygon as it has curved path and line segments both. See another figure. This figure is not a polygon as it is not a closed figure. Circle is a simple closed figure. It is not made up of line segments, so it is not a polygon. Hence, a polygon can be defined as simple closed figure which is made up of more than two line segments. The line segments that form a polygon is called sides of polygon. The point where two sides intersect is called vertex. Polygons are named after the number of sides they have. A polygon having three sides is called triangle. A polygon with four sides is called quadrilateral. Square and rectangle are also quadrilateral. A polygon with five sides is called pentagon. A polygon with six sides is called hexagon. A polygon with seven sides is called heptagon. Eight-sided polygon is called octagon. Nine-sided polygon is called nonagon. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.